Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I got more happy mail. Can you believe it? I got lots of happy mail yesterday. My other half Gary ordered lots and lots of yarn for me, and apparently there's another 5 packages coming which I'm not allowed to open until, well, until he says so basically, but I wouldn't open his mail anyway. But yeah, got a lovely lot yesterday and I've got more happy mail today, but this time it came all the way from Linda, just a Crochet Sister, and it was a beautiful, amazing gift. Look at that. It's got a little tripod stand and it's a ring light which is compatible with your phone, and it's also compatible with a camera. So how cool is that? How cool is that? Thank you so much, Linda. You are an amazing and generous and wonderful woman. I can't really thank you enough. You just love you to bits. And I happen to know that Linda managed to get her happy mail from me. So I'm really glad about that, because I was worrying that it wouldn't get there. And Margie, got hers. And all that needs to happen now is Ryan to get, the yarn hag Ryan to get her crochet hooks that she won in one of my giveaways before the lockdown. So isn't this just incredible? I'm going to have a lot of fun trying to figure out how to use it. It should be quite straightforward. Well, I'm hoping, I'm hoping that it is. And the one good thing about this one, I kind of had a good look at the illustrations. It angles down, so but now that Gary is working evenings and most of my tutorials will be filmed kind of early evening, and as the weather gets, like the year goes on and it gets towards winter, then you lose the light earlier, it would just be the house lights, and they are wall lights. We don't have a main light, just wall lights. So I always find it kind of hard to film in the evening when I've just got these wall lights. So this is really going to help me because it angles down. So I'm hoping that tutorials will be a dream now. Well, light will be a dream. And I think there's a few different colours and settings that are in this as well. So I'm gonna, ow, that hurt my back, sorry, I just didn't move too quickly, and if I move to the side as well it just catches me. So I'm gonna really have a good play with this and see how hang on, I've got to do it with a straight back, I'm fine. See how it all works out. And I also got this. Now, that I was in a live stream the other day, and I want to say it was Petra, I can't be absolutely sure. Dosed up with tablets most of the time makes me a little flaky, I'm afraid. I've been in a few live streams and it possibly was Petra. I think it was, more or less sure it's Petra. Anyway, she had a book, and usually any books that I see, because Jill Fibre Floozy often has nice books, and all the books that I see I can never get hold of them, and I just look at them and think, oh, wish I could get that book. But this one I could get. So there was just one thing that she was showing that I really fancied having a go at making. Now I have the book and I looked at it, it's not symmetrical, the actual pattern, and I don't do wonky crochet. I don't have wonky fashion. I don't wear wonky tops. I don't mind if they're long at the back or long at the front, but when they're not even at the side, I kind of have a little bit of an OCD thing about that. And I know they're fashionable and I know people love them, but for me it's just like, oh no, there's something wrong there. And this actual thing that I like is wonky. So I might have to use it as a bit of a kind of a inspiration to do my own thing with it, because I like the pattern. I like the pattern a lot, but look, it's wonky and I can't do wonky. I have to do straight. I can't do wonky. So I'm going to have a good look at that book anyway. And I'm really hot now. I don't know why, but when I hurt myself, I just get a really hot flush come up. So yeah, I'm going to have a good look through here though, because there were some lovely things in it. Oh, hang on. It has more uses. My hair is actually getting wet. I can feel it. Really, really hot. So it's probably all the medication. But I'm going to try my best to get on and do a live stream and say hello to everyone. But it'll be cool having a look through here. I probably won't make these. I probably won't make them as they are. I never do. If I see something, I always think, oh, I like that, but it looked better like this. And I usually end up changing it. But I'm not a garment person. I've not made garments. And I've got a summer top that I started. And I've done 2 parts of a tutorial for that. And that was probably before spring. Still not finished it. Still not done. I'm kind of 3/4 of the way through a skirt, which is a first for me. And I've been asked to make somebody a poncho. But I don't want to just make a poncho. I want to make a fashionable, you know, kind of a nice, fashionable poncho. So I need some inspiration for these things. But it won't be wonky, that's for sure. Don't do wonky. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. A lot of people have been telling me, in all seriousness, that they're not getting my notifications, and you know, when I do a live stream, they're not being informed. So I keep reporting this to YouTube, and sometimes it improves a little bit and other times it doesn't. But I've got an analytical button on, you know, on my channel, and when I looked, there's only 50-something% of people that have clicked for notifications. So if you can, please check that you've got your notifications set on, because it's actually showing that not everybody has them, and some people don't have them set to all, so you won't get them then. And you know, so unfortunately, other than reporting it to YouTube, if it is set to all, hopefully they'll sort it out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all later, hopefully, if I get on to do a live. And if not, I will see you tomorrow for Rocks Chat, but I'm going to do my best to get on and play with my light. Thank you again, Linda. You're an amazing woman, and I hope that you're feeling a lot better. I know you were feeling a little bit down because you lost some things, and I hope you found them and you're feeling much better now. So lots of love to you. Mwah. Lots of love to everyone. Mwah. And I will see you all soon. Bye for now.